Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an outer spacey kind of set on myself. We're starting by removing my old set, those sweater nails, but we are skipping the prep today. I show prep in almost every video and just didn't feel like it today, plus most of it was out of frame. I really needed to learn to film better. So we're starting off with the Diami base in the medium viscosity. It's been one of my favorite base gels as of late. It will be linked down below, as I am a Sweetie Nail Supply brand ambassador, so you can get 10% off your purchase. So starting off with a thin coat of that on all my nails. And you can see I do have a little bit of remaining builder gel on my nails, which I'm keeping on. But now I'm going in with my new beautiful Diami round brush, which is actually just a delight to use. And then this tub of builder gel. It's the Multiver gel. It's actually very, very nice. It's my first time using it, as you can see, and I was extremely impressed with it. And looking forward to using it more. It self-levels, but then kind of holds itself in place without like changing all the structure that you built just too much. It was really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a layer of that to each nail, one nail at a time, and cure that in the light. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to wipe off the nails and then give them a little bit of a refine, a little foul and buff. And then I'm going in with this shade Infinity from the gel bottle. It's a super, super beautiful shade. It's one that doesn't get picked often from my gel swatches. But it's like this purpley bluey base that almost looks black in some lights, but just has the most beautiful, beautiful shimmer. It's from the gel bottle collection, the outer space collection, I believe, where they like sent some of their products into space. I totally forgot that they did that. Anyways, it's super, super pretty. So applying 2 thin coats of this as our base for the design. And then I'm going in with this cat eye gel from Cat's Me. I got this from Sweetie Nail Supply. I bought the whole collection of these gels. They are incredible. They have a silver-ish glitter that shifts with the magnet, but then they also have another color glitter in it, depending on which one you're using, that doesn't shift. So you're kind of left with a base of like beautiful colored glitter that almost looks chrome-like, and then you shift the silver glitter. I also have a swatching video up on my Instagram of these, and they're just so pretty. I'm like kind of floored by them. I'm really happy I bought them. But so I'm just going ahead and I'm creating kind of a bit of a French tip with these. The nice thing about cat eye gels is you can use your magnet and then finesse them as much as you want. And if they're not going where you want them to, then just take your brush again and brush over the nails to kind of reset the glitter. And then you can start all over again with the magnet. So I'm just kind of focusing the glitter into the center of the nails and then going down from the top. So it pushes it all into a kind of French tip style nail. But of course I'm not satisfied because am I ever? No. So doing that a few times before I get it right. And then I'm going in with this Siligelo from Diami, which is this super thick viscosity clear gel that's meant to be used with chrome. And so you can use it in a few different ways. I am choosing to basically plop it on and make like little craters in my nail for this kind of outer space vibe. But you can use it, I've done it before as well, where you use it in like a streaky way to add texture to the nail. It's super, super cool. But this is a very unique product. I've never used anything like it before because it's non-wipe, so you apply chrome right to the top. But I'm going ahead here and sticking in some silver charms because what is my nail art without big charms? And then I'm just going through and finessing the gel a little bit more to make sure it's as I like it. And I'm going to continue on doing all the all the nails the same. It's interesting, when this gel cures, it almost goes a little bit milky. Like, think dried Elmer's glue. That's kind of what it looks like. But then once you chrome it and apply a top coat, it goes back to being kind of what you would think or were expecting. Very interesting product. The only downfall is it doesn't come with very much in the tub. I think it's like 5 grams. I'm gonna blow through that so fast. I already know it, but you know. that's okay. So I pulled out the Magpie Chrome in the color Juniper, which is a kind of, what did I say? A teal color, a tealish reflecting color. I think it looks really beautiful over dark colors as well. So it reflects teal as kind of its main color, and then when you catch it from the sides, it goes like purple, which just lends itself well to this like little alien outer space vibe. So I'm applying a bit of that to all of the nails. One thing I want to say before we get any further really is after this part, I would recommend, I don't do it in this video, but I would recommend applying a thicker clear gel to cap in the charms. Because wearing this set, I ended up like filing through some of my charms while doing other people's nails. So just to add some longevity to your nails, add a thicker clear gel before you top coat. But top coating is what I'm doing now. I'm using the Young Nails gloss gel, which is a lovely top coat for chrome, and applying a decent layer of that all the way across the nails, kind of leveling things out, capping in the free edge. And there we have it. Here is the finished set for this little weirdo alien outer space nail set with the most beautiful glitter and beautiful chrome in all the land. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye!